Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's craft a journey into the world of realistic hand drawing. Begin your artistic venture by focusing on the foundation. Start with basic shapes and proportions. Sketch a loose outline of the hand to establish the framework. This sets the stage for the intricate details that will follow. Now let's pause and journey back into time to the 17th century, where Rembrandt's two hands stands as a testament to his mastery. In this piece, he captures the play of light on the hands, creating a profound contrast between light and shadow. It's a lesson in how lighting can breathe life into your drawings. Back to your own artistic pursuit, delve into the details, add shadows, define the contours, and bring out the individuality of each finger. Imagine the hand's story. It's reaching for something, creating, or expressing an emotion. Now, let's fast forward to the present. Consider the contemporary work of Mary Pratt, known for her hyper-realistic approach. In her painting, The White Cup, notice how she meticulously renders the hand holding the cup. It's a reminder that realism in art is ever evolving, adapting to different styles and expressions. As you approach the conclusion of your drawing, revisit the fundamentals. Ensure the proportions are just right, refine the details, and make those final adjustments. Your hand drawing is not just an image. It's a culmination of skill, emotion, and storytelling. Realism is the key. Shade carefully to create depth, adding those fine lines that make fingers look tangible. Remember, patience is your ally in this artistic journey. As you delve into the drawing, think about the emotions you want to convey. Are the fingers delicate, or is there a strength in their grip? Your pencil becomes a storyteller, and each stroke contributes to the narrative. Feel the paper under your hand. Let the rhythm of your pencil echo your emotions. The story unfolds not just in the image, but in the process. Drawing a live model hand isn't just a technical task. It's a journey of expression and storytelling. So embrace each stroke, infuse your emotions, and let your hand create more than just an image. Let them craft an experience. In this artistic journey, you have touched upon the sense of starting, learned from the masters, and embraced the evolving nature of realistic hand drawing. As you continue your exploration, remember that each stroke is a step toward creating something timeless and uniquely yours. Keep drawing with passion. Happy drawing!